Wait, because the AI market has officially left the group chat. By April 2026, the AI API consumption market from OpenAI and Anthropic alone is estimated at over $54 billion. That is not startup money. That is somebody just built a digital oil empire, but instead of drilling holes in the ground, they're drilling through your monthly API budget. And Agentic AI, that is AI that does not just answer your questions, it actually takes action. It can research, plan, summarize, write, automate, analyze, and basically behave like the intern who never sleeps, never complains, and somehow knows Python. Spending on that is up 141% year over year. Translation, companies are not just chatting with AI anymore, they are putting it on payroll. And here is where it gets spicy. 89% of small and medium-sized businesses are already actively using AI tools. So if you're still saying, yeah, we'll look into AI later, that is not strategy. That is the business version of showing up to a Formula One race on a scooter. And the craziest number, enterprise reasoning token usage is up 320x in the last 12 months. 320 times? That means companies went from, can you write a polite email, to, can you analyze our sales, fix our workflow, build a strategy, summarize this 90-page PDF, and please explain why Kevin from accounting is still using spreadsheets from 2008. AI is not some future trend anymore. It is the new business engine. And right now, the companies learning how to use it are building speed. The ones ignoring it, they are about to discover what it feels like to bring a fax machine to a robot fight. Follow for more, because this AI wave is not slowing down.